Say to Danmar Dayaw, Sangkay Janjan, Eskel Penumbra, Romeo TV Vlog, and who else? Ate Dina Guillermo, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, and the other Marcos loyalists, please stop creating fake account. If you don't create fake account, I will shoot you. I will shoot all of you with a pellet gun. Oh, you know Danmar Dayaw. I had enough. Alright, I had enough about your doing this to Kuya Rodelio Daguman. How did Kuya Rodelio Daguman did this to Cedric, ha? Where's the proof, Danmar? Ha? You have nothing to prove. And you want to say you want to file against cases against Kuya Rodelio Daguman? Look, Danmar, ha? If Kuya Rodelio Daguman had filed the cases against you, even his family members, you better to attend the hearing. You do not know what you're talking about, Danmar, huh? Creating fake account, creating manipulation. Puro ganyan, ganon. Like I said, gawa-gawa ka pa more ng kung ano-ano sa kay Kuya Rodelio Daguman, like what you're saying about that person, that he doesn't do anything. Oh, you know, Danmar Dayaw, you should be blacklisted in the Best Buddies Philippines. If I said that from Carlos Kanakashi or Roylan Marlang, hindi po yan si Kuya Rodelio Daguman. That is a fake account. Me, I never make fake account in Facebook. Oh, at least I listen to Teacher Vincent Ramos, I listen to Teacher Gio Malana. Why are you even creating fake account, Danmar, ha? Why are you even creating a fake account to destroy Rodelio Daguman's reputation, to ruin his good name? Okay, let's continue. Oh, to ruin his name. Eh, what is wrong with you, Danmar? Inaano ka ba ni Rodelio, ha? He lost his pet dog. He lost his mother. Wala na po siyang nanay, wala na siyang aso. Oh. He's only with himself, his brother, oh, yung kuya ni Rodelio, oh, just like what you're talking about, you are messing in the first place. You know, I'm getting angry to all of those idiot Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, who creating about that stupid trolls. Oh, such as Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, G. Macasandil, Paulo Cruzada, Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Ate Dina Guillermo, and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Eskel Penumbra, Teacher Kel Pabelo, Barbie Pabelo, and even Romeo TV Vlog, and Sangkay Janjan, Jab Magno, and Danmar Dayaw. What all of you want to create a troll? What all of you want to manipulate Kuya Rodelio Daguman? Have you seen that person? He's not doing anything at Cedric. Huh? He's not doing anything about to Cedric Mariano. Cedric, he never communicate Kuya Rodelio Daguman. He learns how to move on. Danmar Dayaw, with all due respect, can you just please get rid of that fake account? of Rodelio Daguman. You have lots of misunderstanding from your parents. You have lots of misunderstanding with your friends. And then you create fake account to ruin Cedric. Someday, Danmar, if you don't really know that what you're doing at Kuya Rodelio Daguman, you're going to imprison. Someday, you will be sued by Kuya Rodelio Daguman's family members. Madidemanda ka pa, Danmar. You know, like I said before, you will gonna receive a lawsuit from the family of Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Over the years that you making trolls, you created anything, that Rodelio Daguman is not doing anything. What is this, Danmar? That was really you. And how did you know that Kuya Rodelio Daguman knows Ernest Marisigan? Hindi niya kilala yon. That's what he said to me. I never met Ernest Marisigan. Hindi niya kilala yon. Hindi ko po kilala si Ernest Marisigan. Kuya Rodelio Daguman says, you know, Danmar, Rodelio Daguman, he doesn't know Ernest Marisigan. You are creating a false information that you're creating at all of those dummy accounts to ruin Rodelio Daguman. You don't have understanding from your parents? Do you have a misunderstanding your family members? What is wrong with you, Kuya Rodelio Daguman? That what he's saying to you, oh Danmar, oh. What is wrong with you? What's wrong with Kuya Rodelio Daguman? Oh, what's wrong about him? Are you saying that he's posting about politics? No. He's posting about his mother, Danmar Dayao. The mother only he posted. You know, Danmar Dayao, with all due respect, wag mo ganunin si Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Have mercy to that person. You know me, as I'm a good person, I forgive Kuya Rodelio Daguman when he curses me bad words. He apologized to me, or he apologized to Roylan Marlang that he spread the scandal, or he apologized to Cedric. Unlike you, Danmar, can you just leave him alone? Don't create such foolishness about you creating fake account on Facebook. You ruin Kuya Rodelio Daguman. And sabi po ni Kuya Rodelio, inaaway niya si Cedric. It's not really true. Rodelio Daguman did not feud with Cedric Mariano. He doesn't fight with Cedric. All he has to do is focusing in his work. While Cedric Mariano is busy in his blog. Danmar Dayao, you have to stop this.